Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you guys can download Gcam in Redmi Note 13. Before we start the video, make sure to like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. Okay, for this process, make sure you guys have a strong internet connection. All you guys have to do just go to Play Store and search for Gcam. I already searched it, Gcam. Just install this application from Play Store. It may take only some time to install. After installing, just open the application, allow all the access. After allow, just go to this button and search for your device name. I am searching for Redmi Note 13. This one, select this one and start download. So as you guys see, the downloading is in process here. Just wait for downloading. The downloading speed will depend upon your Wi-Fi. So as you see, the downloading is complete. Now all you guys have to do, just click on install. After downloading, just click on open in folder. I'm selecting files, and then here we have this file. Just click on it, and then as you see, we have option of install. Just install from here. After installing, as you see, the virus is scanning, and then after completing this process, just click on open. Then allow all the permissions, and that's it. As you see, the Gcam is now successfully installed in Redmi Note 13. And as you guys also see that we have plenty of options here, like a video. In video, we have slow motion, time lapse. In modes, we have panorama and photosphere. Camera mode is also zooming option, portrait, and also night sight. So that's it about the video. Through this method, you guys can install Gcam in Redmi Note 13. So if this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.